my, what could we be making today? I wonder. So, I use this for everything. I think I just threw it in there for the photo shoot. I feel kind of silly now. So we need tape so far, tissue paper, and a piece of cardstock. I'm using my shiny cardstock. But when I'm finished, I'm going to use the flip side of it anyway. It's just kind of here to stabilize our tissue paper. So we're going to be using shiny side of our tissue paper. So let's go ahead. Oops. Just leave that tape there. That's fine. Just go ahead and turn our shiny paper desk side. We want our shiny paper facing the desk. And we're going to mount our paper, our cardstock, right in the middle. And we're just going to start taping. And we want it to be a little taut. So, you know, not too crazy, but enough to where it's not going to have any catches in the printer. So we're just going to use our fingers to pull down the paper a little bit. Make sure it's smooth and flat for the most part. And the thing I like about this little bit more glossy paper is when you go to peel the tape off, it won't stick compared to standardized cardstock. That, and if you tape it on the flip side, it opens up more space as opposed to if you tape it on the same exact side that you're printing on. All right, let's go ahead and tape this guy. We're wrapping presents! Alright guys, now it's ready for your printer. Let's see what it's going to look like when it's done. And don't do anything with these wrinkles. I have a feeling that's going to add a wonderful texture. While we wait for the printer to figure out its life, we are sewing. Oh my goodness, it's printing on the tissue paper. So excited for what it's going to look like. So I have to make a few more of these. I think you guys are going to be just as surprised as I am. Alright, here's the watercolor paper that I did it on the other day. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Now, here is the tissue paper. Now, the heads, I think, accidentally cleaned some, and that's okay. Luckily, it was more on the outside of the paper. We're not using this as a whole. We're going to tear it up into pieces. So let's go ahead and remove it and see how it looks. Don't worry about the edges of the tissue paper. We aren't too, you know, worried about that. We just want what has actually been printed. And you see how well this tape is removing from this paper, so we can reutilize it. Even with those dark ink blotches on the back, I mean, that's on the back, we can reutilize this opposite side for something else. So that is pretty exciting. All right. This one off of here, and let's see how it looks. looks. Okay, it didn't even hardly bleed through on this paper, which is really cool. Oh my, look how pretty. Oh my. All right, I'm going to cut this out. Wow, look how pretty that is. Just wow. It's just, look how pretty. It's just amazingly gorgeous. Now let's set it. See, we can perfectly line it up with this guy because it's the same exact size. It looks all weird, like you got double crazy vision. All right, let's lay it on some white to less, confuse the eyes. Oh, and yeah, okay, that's supposed to be there. Here I was thinking that was part of the printer, but some of these ink splotches are actually supposed to be there. That is just wow. So even these drugged down ones here. Now this one I probably won't include into a project, but the rest of this is just wow. Alrighty, now I want you guys to come back tomorrow because guess what? We're finally going to bust this guy out with this wonderful tissue paper and we're going to use them. Alright, I will see you guys later. This was a little quickie and I know I don't really do them, but I'm trying to get more into that habit and getting used to it. So hopefully here's to more short videos along with the long ones. Alright, bye!